cause clause है followed by so and the much or little. This will be followed by non-count noun and then the word that and then subject and verb. So the sentence will feel like he has invested so much money in the project that he cannot abandon it now. So the cause was the higher investment and the effect turned out to be you have no option left to abandon the project. Another example, the grass received so little water, so followed by little. Again, water is non-count noun that it turned brown in the heat. So the cause was less amount of water supply and the effect turned out to be brown grass because of the heat. इन सब के अलावा कुछ और सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर कंस्ट्रक्शन है जिसमें आपके पास सब्जेक्ट वर्ब फॉलोड बाय सच and then followed by an article this followed by an adjective and then a singular count noun then that and the rest is the cause and effect आपका जो कि सेंटेंस कंस्ट्रक्शन है. और इसी को हम इस तरीके से भी लिख सकते हैं कि वर्ब subject followed by verb, instead of such it will be so, this followed by an adjective, then an article and a singular count noun and followed by that. So in that case आपके पास the rest of the sentence structure is same, but in case you are writing such, then an article followed by adjective, and if you are writing so, then adjective followed by an article. Remember one thing कि जो ये first sentence construction है जिसमें such followed by an article and adjective, this being the more common compared the other one. So जब आप ये sentence देखेंगे तो इसकी prevalence ज़्यादा है in terms of writing and speech compared to the second one, but both make sense and both are correct. हम इसकी example देख लेते हैं. It was such a hot day that we decided to stay indoor. Such followed by article followed by adjective. Again अगर हम so को use करेंगे तो sentence construction would be it was so hot day that we decided to stay indoor. So the so hot day is again the same but made